Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Kubernetes. So what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes, in simple terms, is an open source container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It was originally developed by Google and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. So if you're wanting to know what some of the advantages are of using Kubernetes, we can have a look at a few, namely scalability. So Kubernetes allows you to easily scale your applications up or down based on your demand. It also has high availability. It ensures that your applications are always available by automatically restarting failed containers. It does also offer resource efficiency. Kubernetes optimizes resource usage by efficiently packaging containers on nodes. It also features automated rollouts and rollbacks. With Kubernetes, you can easily update your applications with automated rollouts and rollbacks in case of any failures. So let us have a look at some of the features that it offers. First of all, we're going to have a look at the service discovery and load balancing. Now, Kubernetes provides built-in mechanisms for service discovery and its load balancing. It also is self-healing. It automatically replaces and reschedules containers that fail health checks. It also features secrets and configuration management. Kubernetes allows you to manage sensitive information and configuration details securely. It also offers horizontal scaling. It easily scales your applications horizontally by adding or removing instances. So, having a look at everything that Kubernetes has to offer, what are some of the disadvantages that we should be aware of when using Kubernetes? First of all, its complexity. So Kubernetes has a steep learning curve, as you can imagine, and it can be quite complex to set up and manage without any sort of prior knowledge. Resource intensive. Now, running Kubernetes requires a significant amount of resources in terms of your memory and even your CPU, so that can be challenging. It also has some network challenges, such as setting up networks in Kubernetes that can be challenging for beginners with such a diverse web of platform. However, with all of its disadvantages, there are still some really neat reasons to be using it. So first of all, it is highly efficient. So Kubernetes streamlines the deployment and management of containerized applications, which can save you time as well as the effort. It is also scalable, highly scalable. It enables seamless scaling of applications to meet changing demands. It is also very reliable with its automated processes for monitoring and recovery. Kubernetes ensures high availability of applications, as you can see. So, some of the use cases: microservers architecture. Kubernetes is ideal for managing microservices-based applications, allowing for easy scaling and management of individual components. Hybrid cloud environments. Now, Kubernetes works well in a hybrid cloud setup, providing consistency in deployment across different types of environments. The CI/CD pipelines. Now, integrating Kubernetes into CI/CD pipelines automates the deployment process, which ensures faster delivery of software updates, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, having a look at some of its best practices: the infrastructure as code, the IAC, utilizing tools like Terraform and Ansible to define your infrastructure as code for easier management of Kubernetes clusters. Monitoring and logging. Now, implementing robust monitoring and logging solutions to track the performance performance of your applications running on Kubernetes. It also has great security policies. Now you can define strict security policies to protect your cluster from unauthorized access and potential vulnerabilities. So what do you guys think? Is Kubernetes awesome? Is it not so awesome? Let us know in the comment section below, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now, peeps.